Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Translate app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take us to next step. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on apps and you come to next step here or apps list. Then you just go down here to looking for Translate app. So just go down here to find your Translate app. So you keep going down here. Then when you found it, just click on it like this. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down here, you click here on storage and you come to next step here on storage list. You just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, you click on your Play Store, then you search for your translator or Google Translate. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, just click on it, then it's going to fix your problem. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking